Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm breaking down exactly how you can start making money with the eBay affiliate program, even if you're a total beginner. Yep, you heard that right, no experience needed. So, let's dive in and I'll walk you through step by step. First off, what is the eBay affiliate program? It's officially called the eBay Partner Network. Basically, you get paid a commission anytime someone buys something on eBay through your unique affiliate links. The best part? You don't need to own inventory, you don't need to ship anything, you don't need to handle customer service, you're just connecting buyers to eBay and earning a cut. Here's how you get started. Step 1. Sign up. Head over to partnernetwork.ebay.com and apply for a free account. They'll ask you for some details about your website. They may ask about your social media. Don't stress if you're just starting out. You can use a brand new YouTube channel or a blog. Once you're approved, you'll get access to the dashboard. That's where you can create your affiliate links. Search for products you want to promote, click Create a Link. Boom, your custom URL is ready to share. Now let's talk strategy. Pick products people are searching for and buying. Trending gadgets, collectibles, anything with a passionate fan base. Start with things you know or enjoy. It's easier to make content that way. Here's where the magic happens. Content creation. Make YouTube videos, write blog posts, share your links on social media. Example, make a review video of a tech gadget you found on eBay, or write a blog comparing different sneakers. Always disclose that your links are affiliate links. It's required. Every time someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. Usually between 1% and 4% depending on category. It may sound small, but volume adds up fast. Plus, if someone clicks your link and buys something different within 24 hours, you still get paid. So, to sum up, sign up, pick your products, create content, share your links, stay consistent, keep learning. Don't get discouraged if results take time. With the eBay Partner Network, you've got a legit way to start earning online. Small wins add up. Track your analytics and double down on what works. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Quick tip: focus on useful content, not hard selling. Help people decide and the clicks will follow. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to include an affiliate disclosure in your descriptions. Recap: sign up, pick products, create content, share links. Volume and consistency are your friends. Start small, scale up. Be patient and keep improving your content. Make a plan and stick to it. You can do this. If you want more step-by-step monetization guides, subscribe and ring the bell. Thanks again. See you next time.